So I was looking for a simple free app to view my NDI sources on the network on Android, mainly because then I can have my tablet or phone uh, wired while also doing production and just double check some of the feeds. So yeah, I've tested a few, and this is the best if you're going to go full NDI. It doesn't support NDI HX, probably trying to find another app for that. But yeah, so I've installed it on my phone, and it's pretty straightforward. You just refresh while you're on the same network, and you find all the sources. And when you tap it, it will open the NDI source. So in this example, I'm using wired, but for if you have a great Wi-Fi connection, it should also work on that. Although NDI is not recommended to be used on Wi-Fi.